Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you our latest NB-IoT data logger, VWdot. This is a wireless vibrating wire data logger using NB-IoT technology. VWdot comes with a 1-channel model and a 4-channel model. If you don't know about NB-IoT, please Google it. It is a part of 4G and 5G technology. This package also comes with one 16GB SD card and one NB-IoT antenna. For the NB-IoT SIM card and one A650 Li battery, we suggest you source them locally because shipping them could be expensive. Now let's open it and check out all the parts shown in this image. You'll find an antenna port, a battery holder, a cable gland, a COM port, an SD card slot, a SIM card slot, a terminal socket, a test button, and finally a VWdot enclosure. First of all, we'll go through the easy step, which is connecting the sensor to VWdot. Please insert the cable through the cable gland and connect the wires to VWdot's terminal socket as explained below. The next step will be inserting the SD card. The SD card contains a VWdot configuration setup file. You will need to configure a file which is called VW setup before inserting the SD card into the slot. We have also made another video on how to set up VWdot. Please check it out before setting up VWdot. The next step is inserting the SIM card. It's quite an easy step, so we don't need much explanation here. Please check with your local telecom providers on NB-IoT service before you buy a VWdot. Every country has a different data plan and wireless frequency band for NB-IoT. Let's move on to the next step, which is connecting the antenna. Please let us know your NB-IoT service frequency. We'll get you the correct antenna based on your NB-IoT frequency band. We have also made 2 other videos on how to set up FTP function for VWdot and how to use dot. These 2 videos are must-watch videos if you want to use the wireless function on VWdot. Make sure you check them out before you turn on your VWdot. Here comes the last step, placing the battery into the battery holder, and VWdot will turn on by itself. After VWdot is powered on, the green LED light will stay on until the data has successfully transmitted to our server. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the green LED light to turn off for the first time usage due to the NB-IoT server registration. Again, please check out our other videos related to FTP setup and web interface if you want to use the wireless function. Last but not least, there's a test button inside VWdot. If you press it, VWdot will take a measurement instantly and send it out via NB-IoT to our server. This is also a simple way to check if VWdot and NB-IoT service are working. Finally, your VWdot is ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com for more information. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.